I've always wanted to do an online course. I think it's going to be a time of great learning. You've got time to actually think and to write. This, time of isolation, of just being you, doing it at your own pace. What I would like to do is to guide you through every step of the way by making your brushes, to exploring your mark making, seeing you getting excited about dipping that brush into the ink for the very first time, to then exploring mark making through a series of guided exercises, asemic writing as well, some journal writing, hand painting cloth, and it will be a combination of paper and cloth and stitch. There's so many elements. Letting go of those preconceived ideas and expectations and seeing the potential of what you could actually make. Finding your confidence is just a gradual sort of step. It will take a little time, like probably halfway through, and you'll go, oh, I get it. With this online course, I will be answering questions, but I want to be able to see the work first, and I want to hear how it felt. I know that this way that I teach works. You're going to be brave and you're going to be bold and you're going to go away with this and go, I can't wait to get into my space and into my studio or my kitchen table. I want to go out and explore my place and really look with different eyes. At the end, you're going to be able to say, this is my language, and I now understand who I am as an artist, and I want to be able to take it further and just keep on exploring. No one could create anything like you've created, and that's the power of finding your own voice.